Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to my video. I'm going to be talking about people who live in the wild today. I hope you enjoy the video. This is the most traditional way to catch fish with his hand and can be very effective in the quiet sea. Fish are often found near reefs and other underwater structures, so he looks for areas with clear water. This is another effective way to catch fish, and it can be used to catch a variety of species. Spears can be cast from shore or from a boat, and they can be used to catch fish swimming near the surface or the bottom. It is very hard to catch fish with his hand, so now he goes to cut the wood to make a wooden spear. Use a spear. This is a more specialized method of fishing, but it can be very effective in the quiet sea. Spears are used to shoot fish, and they can be used to catch a variety of species. Spearing is best done in areas with clear water and plenty of fish. He got a stingray for his meal, so nice, and a great day for him. During grilling stingray, he goes digging for wild jicama, and everyone can learn from him. I hope it can be a new experience for you. Jicama is a root vegetable that is native to Central America. It has brown, bark-like skin and white, crunchy flesh. Jicama has a mild, sweet flavor and is often eaten raw. Either grated or sliced, it can also be used in cooked dishes such as stir fries and salads.